A heat advisory continues for parts of the, well, not just parts of the Brazos Valley, but all of the Brazos Valley, as again, we're not necessarily dealing with excessive heat warning criteria, but we still could have a heat index over at least the next couple of days for, around that 108 mark. And this could be extended into next week as well. Wouldn't surprise me with the way things are looking. So certainly it's still staying hot. And by the way, with the new drought monitor out, notice that we're now inching back into what could be closing in on drought. This is not necessarily drought. The yellow shades just indicate abnormally dry conditions, but that's the predecessor to drought. And the longer we go without the rain and getting this hot weather in here, we're just going to eventually be pushing drought back into the region. You can see it's just out to our west. And that's why we want to keep some rain coming. But unfortunately, it is going to be a little while before we see any of that. All the while, over the next 7 days, temperatures will remain 100 plus, about 101 to 100 over the weekend, and then all the way back to 104 on Tuesday, and then slowly stair-stepping down back to 101 by next Friday. But even in the 10-day forecast, I'm not sure that we will be getting below 100 until maybe about 10 days from now. So the wider future track view, again, it is still quiet. We've got those showers and thunderstorms that are going to be well away from here. Tomorrow, those are going to be up in Oklahoma, and we just get quite a bit of sunshine with a few clouds passing through here and there. Sunday, well, look at what happened Sunday morning. Maybe some remnant storms coming into Dallas-Fort Worth, but that's as close as those are going to make it. Those will work to the east. And again, as far as the Brazos Valley goes, we don't see anything from that. It'll just be quite sunny and perhaps a couple clouds. So wind speeds for the remainder of the evening, a little breezy at about 10 to 15 mile per hour winds out of the south. And once we get into tomorrow afternoon, a southwest wind at 10 miles per hour. And your lows tonight, let's go ahead and take a look at those. We'll be falling down to 78 degrees for Brenham and Madisonville and Caldwell, but everyone else looking like 79 for an overnight low. As for temperatures tomorrow, many places will be breaching 100 again. We're talking 101 for Franklin and Hearn, 101 for Bryan College Station, and Anderson at 99, Madisonville at 99, but it wouldn't surprise me if those places were also 100 plus. That's just kind of the heat that we have been dealing with for some time, and it's going to continue for the next little while. 100 is about as cool as we get over the next little while on Sunday, and then temperatures ramp back up again, 102 on Monday and 104 on Tuesday. Look at all that sunshine that we're going to be dealing with over the course of the next week. Morning lows around 78 to 79, and then slowly sinking back to 100 degrees by the time we get to next weekend. Saturday, Sunday might actually have a shower or storm. We're talking about the following Saturday and Sunday, and we could finally be back to the upper 90s once next Monday rolls around.